Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So the Ticwatch is one of the most powerful Android Wear OS watches right now with outstanding battery life. It comes with a huge range of customization, and with Play Store it has access to thousands of apps and it's great for notifications. However, it lacks one major feature that more and more people rely on, and that's Google Assistant, and it can't be downloaded either. So the Ticwatch Pro 5 has everything but this very important feature, which is a shame. So what can Google Assistant do for us? As we all know, Google Assistant is very useful as it allows you to multitask and use voice commands to get things done, such as setting reminders, call, messaging people, controlling lights, etc. So as Ticwatch Pro 5 doesn't have Google Assistant, I was looking for an alternative. And in this video, I'll check and see if I can use Alexa as an alternative and how well it will perform some of the tasks that I mentioned earlier. Some of you who may watch my videos regularly will know that I recently did a video on how useful Google Assistant is. It was, I think I used my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and Google Assistant to basically do simple tasks as calling someone, sending message, etc. I'll leave the link up there if you want to check it out. So Alexa is available on the Play Store, and as you can see, I've already downloaded it. So we'll go through the setup and installation now. So you do have to have an Amazon account in order to use Alexa. So I'll just sign in and come back. Basically, you'll have to open it on your phone and go through the process of setting up. So let's open it on the phone now. Okay, and so I've just logged in with my password. It's come up with the code, which same code as on my watch. So I'm gonna continue now, and the registration is now complete. It's simple as that. And as you can see on the watch, it's giving you terms and condition, and then you just need to agree and continue. Basically, we're all done. You're connected. Continue. So as you can see, we've got permission needed for the following: record audio, make phone call, access contacts, location access, and we're going to continue. Okay, allow Amazon Alexa to record audio. So we're going to go with while using the app. Okay, allow Amazon Alexa to make and manage phone call. Allow Amazon Alexa to access your contacts. Allow Amazon Alexa to access this device location while using this app. Okay, customize a hardware button to talk to Alexa. Okay, so we'll go to setting and we'll customize one of those buttons to use Alexa. Okay, let's do this now. So we've basically programmed the crown to bring up Alexa. So if you hold it down, it brings up Alexa. Let's try it. Alexa, what time is it?
11:47 a.m.
What time is it in New York?
New York, it's 6:47 a.m.
What's the weather like?
In New York, United States, it's 23 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect lots of clouds and thunderstorms, with a high of 28 degrees and a low of 21 degrees.
What's the weather like in the UK today?
In England, it's 19 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorms, with a high of 21 degrees and a low of 9 degrees.
So as you saw, Alexa understood very well my voice commands and responded accurately, both about the USA and the UK. I'm going to try some factual questions now and see how she copes with it. Which team does Mohamed Salah play in?
Salah currently plays for Liverpool.
Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
Romeo and Juliet was written by William Shakespeare and published in 1595.
What's the population of United Kingdom?
2023. The population of United Kingdom is 67.7 million people.
Which country has the highest economic growth in 2023?
See.com. India is projected to be the world's fastest growing economy in 2023, with a growth rate of 7.5% and 7.6%, respectively.
Okay, so I thought that got me wrong, but it actually understood me very well and answered me well. Excellent. So far I'm very impressed. And let's try a few more. What's the distance between Earth and Mars?
Mars is 346.1 million kilometers from Earth.
How many hours would it take us to get to Mars?
It takes 4 minutes and 21 seconds to travel from Mars to Earth. The journey would take about 11 years traveling in a commercial jet airliner at 500 miles per hour.
So it's actually giving me more information than I asked for. I'm well impressed. Let's ask something a bit more complicated. Where was the movie The Beach recorded?
It was filmed in Hokum Hall, Maya Bay, Thailand, and Phuket, Thailand.
Excellent. This is amazing. I would never think that it can actually go down to this kind of information. Play a Rick Astley song.
Astley released a new album, Are We There Yet? Available with Amazon Music Unlimited. It's free for 30 days and then you'll be automatically charged £8.99 a month until you cancel. Terms in the Alexa app. Should I sign you up now and play the new album?
No, thank you.
You can sign up anytime by saying, sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited. Shuffling Rick Astley and similar artists on Amazon Music.
So as you can see, these are all the different commands that can be used to basically order things, turn on the light, set reminder, call, tell a joke. And as you saw while I was speaking, it can actually detect any voice command I said. It's not limited to those only. So I'm going to try to set timer in 1 minute.
Starting now. By the way, I have a few tips for using timers. Want to hear them?
Yes.
How much time is left on your timers? Just ask me, what are my timers? You can also make your timers longer or shorter by saying, add 5 minutes to my timer or take 5 minutes off my timer.
Okay, so let's see if it works with setting reminders. Set timer for 1 minute.
Timer, 1 minute, starting now.
Okay, so it's started the timer. It started actually the first time, but I thought it didn't, but it did. And now it's set up the second timer as well. So that's the first timer complete. Okay. And it started the second one. So those of you who watched the previous video I was talking about, the Google Assistant did struggle a few times with my command, but Alexa did seem to have not struggled at all so far. So it's just come out, timer's complete. So it would have been nice actually if it showed the timer. Show my notifications.
Don't have any notifications.
Show my meetings.
Things scheduled for the next 30 days.
Show my calendar.
No events scheduled for the next 30 days.
Show agenda.
Nothing on the calendar for the next 30 days.
So I've got loads of things on the calendar. I've got things on the agenda. It's not showing up. So there might be some things that Alexa can't do, just like Google Assistant as well. These are appointments for tomorrow, but it's saying I've got nothing for the next 30 days. So I guess there are things that are quite limited in some aspect, I guess, and it has excelled in other aspect. So let's see if it works with setting reminders. Set a reminder.
The reminder for
buy milk.
Did I remind you?
3 p.m.
I'll create a reminder at 3 p.m. By the way, you can now set monthly and yearly reminders. To try it, just say something like, remind me to pay bills on the 1st of every month.
So that's good. You can actually set reminders well in advance, and then you can have it repeated every month or quarterly, however you like, I guess. Let's try calling and messaging someone now and then see how well that works. Call Andy.
Andy's mobile.
So it's ringing, and that's fine. Let's end the call. And let's see if it can send a WhatsApp message now. Send a WhatsApp message.
I can't send messages on WhatsApp yet.
Okay, so that feature is not working yet. Let's try something else. Send SMS.
To whom?
Andy.
The message for Andy.
Boiler's broken.
Your message to Andy says, boiler is broken. Should I send it?
Yes.
Sending SMS from mobile.
Okay, so the SMS hasn't come through. It's saying it's got connection problem. Okay, so let's try sending SMS from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and see if it works. Send SMS.
Who do you want to text?
Andy.
All right, what's the message?
Boiler's broken.
Ready to send it?
Yes.
Sending your message.
Okay, let's see if it's sent. Yep, it's come through. As you can see, there's a message here, and here it is. It's come as broken. It hasn't said boiler's broken. So looks like Alexa's struggling sending WhatsApp messages as well as SMS, but Alexa can make calls. I'm not sure if Alexa can make WhatsApp calls. Let's give it a quick try. WhatsApp call.
Phone number, contact or device do you want to call?
Andy.
Make calls with WhatsApp, but I can reach Andy's phone. Should I go ahead and place the call?
No.
Sorry, that's the only way I can call Andy.
So as you saw, Alexa can't make WhatsApp call, but the only thing she can do at the moment is phone calls. I guess it might be something in the future they may improve with new software updates, but for the moment she's limited to just calls. But it's very useful to know that she's able to use alternatives. So when she can't make a call on WhatsApp, she did give me the alternative to make a call direct rather than WhatsApp. So just to summarize, guys, at the moment it looks like Alexa is only limited to within the Alexa app. So anything that I added through Alexa is showing up. If I ask Alexa for appointments and calendar and reminder notification through Alexa, those are coming up. Anything that I have on my calendar that I've booked or appointments booked from previously, is nothing showing up. So she's only limited to what she basically books herself. In terms of calls, Alexa can make calls, but no SMS or WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp calls at the moment. So Google Assistant is able to do all of this without any issues. But I must say that Alexa is able to give really good detailed information of any commands that I've given, and some are quite complicated questions that I've asked it as well in detail, which I've noticed when I'm using Google Assistant, the voice command isn't as receptive as Alexa is. I've had several times when I've tried Google Assistant and it has come back to me saying, I don't know, or I had to repeat it because it didn't understand me very well. So while Google Assistant is not available on the Ticwatch Pro 5, Alexa is a good alternative. It can give really great information and make calls. Guys, do comment down below and let me know how you find without the Google Assistant on the Ticwatch Pro 5. Are you looking at alternative, or what are your experience? Do share with me. So that's all for today. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.